Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to give you some of the reading and the pronunciation tips for A1 level. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, we are going to read a text in French together. I'm going to give you some of the reading and the pronunciation tips, and the text belongs to A1 level. Before we start with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end, and in case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. For all the updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon too. In case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Alright, so here we have a text. It's a simple text, basic level text, which belongs to A1 level, and the title of the text is Ma Journée. Ma Journée. So here there is a girl Sophie who is describing her daily routine in French. Let's just start. If you want, I'm going to give you some pronunciation tips. So if you want to grab a notebook, grab a pen, you can do that, and you can just keep on noting down whatever I'm saying. Right? Alors, je. The pronunciation of E in French is E. So it becomes je. Je. Ma, M-A is m'appelle. Je m'appelle Sophie. Je m'appelle Sophie. 2 syllables. Sophie. Je m'appelle Sophie. Now this is very frequently mispronounced. Students pronounce this as je. This is not je. This is je and this is je. Je. Now je means I. And j'ai, which means I have. It's the verb avoir. So j'ai. Now this is the number 20. So 20. J'ai 20. And now this is on. Here I'm going to give you a pronunciation tip. And the rule is known as liaison. What is liaison? Liaison is, see, in French, normally we do not pronounce the last consonant. So here the last consonant is T. So we say it as 20, will not pronounce the letter T. But now the liaison rule says that if there is a word which ends with a consonant and the next word to it that begins with a vowel, then what happens? You start pronouncing the last consonant as well. So it is not 20 ans, it's 20 ans. 20 ans. You'll start pronouncing this T as well. So j'ai 20 ans. J'ai 20 ans. Je suis, it's the conjugation of the verb être, suis. This is étudiante. Right? Now, the pronunciation tip says, the pronunciation of the letter E in French is E. So this is je. As soon as on the letter E, you put the accent aigu. This is accent aigu, the forward accent. The pronunciation of E changes from E to A. So now it's not A, it's A. Étudiante. Étudiante. Again there is liaison rule which will be applied. Can you see suis is ending with a consonant S, right? So you will not pronounce it suis, but the next word is beginning with a vowel. So it becomes je suis étudiante. Liaison. Je suis étudiante. Le. I told you. The pronunciation of the letter E is E. So it's le matin. 2 syllables. Matin. Le matin. Je. It's not j'ai. Je. Me. Again see. E is with accent. So it becomes, it's not a R. It's a ré. Réveil. Now there is a pronunciation tip over here. Whenever you will see the combination I double L in French,
you do not pronounce double L. Normally, however, there are few exceptions, but normally you will not pronounce the, if you have I double L together, you don't pronounce double L. So it becomes réveil, réveil à 7. Now this is 7, the number 7. 7. Now in French you write H but you don't pronounce it. So it's just treated as an invisible letter. EU is heure. Je me réveille à 7 heures. Je prends. See, D and S both are silent. EN, the pronunciation is on. So it becomes prends. Je prends une. Here you have two tips. The pronunciation of the combination OU in French is OU. So DOU becomes do. Now, the next is CH. The pronunciation of the combination CH in English is ch. But in French it's sh. So together it becomes douche. DOU is douche. Douche. Et je prends mon petit. 2 syllables. Petit. The last consonant you don't pronounce, so it becomes petit de. Again, the same thing which I told you over here. E is with accent. So de, je, EU. The pronunciation of EU is e. So de, je, ne. Now here, whenever you will see there is a word which is ending with ER, you give it the sound of A. This is A. So de, je, ne, pronunciation wise. So whenever you will have ER at the end, it will be pronounced as A. So de, je, ne, right? The next one is je. Now here, the pronunciation of the combination AI in French is A. So it becomes V. S you will not pronounce. Je vais à l'université. T-E with accent. So T. L'université. À 8. This is the number 8. 8 heures. The same word. Heure. Now, this is J. I told you this is je and this is J. J. Un. OU, the pronunciation of OU is OU. DOU, do. COU, cou. Cours. S being the last consonant, you will not pronounce it. J'ai un cours de. Now, here it is important. See, we pronounce this as, this is the number 9. We pronounce it as 9. And this is heure. Now, do you see, in French you do not pronounce the letter H, right? And the next word is beginning with a vowel. Next letter is the vowel. Now, do you see this is 9 ending with a consonant F and the next one is vowel E. So, here the pronunciation of F will change into V. So, it is not nefer. We'll pronounce it as never. Never. À 12. 12 heures. Le. Now here, OI. The pronunciation of OI in French is oua. So MOI becomes moi. TOI becomes toi. SOI becomes soi. Soir. Je dîne avec ma. Now, fa. F-A, fa. Here I gave you the tip over here. Whenever you will see the combination I double L in French, you will not pronounce double L. So it becomes fa mi, because you are not going to pronounce double L. So it's fa mi. Et je lis. Li is li. S you are not going to pronounce. Un livre. Livre. Je me. Now here, this was douche. Now this is, here I have just changed D from D to C. So it becomes couche. Je me couche. This was douche. This is couche. Je me couche à 10 heures. Now I am going to read this text slowly for you. Just observe the way I am reading. Alright. Je m'appelle Sophie. J'ai 20 ans. Je suis étudiante. Le matin, je me réveille à 7 heures. Je prends une douche et je prends mon petit déjeuner. Je vais à l'université à 8 heures. J'ai un cours de 9 heures à 12 heures. Le soir, je dîne avec ma famille et je lis un livre. Je me couche à 10 heures. And that's it for this video. In case there is anything which I have not comprehended over here, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any other text which you want me to make a video on, just mention that text also in the comment section below. That's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.